Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Wednesday, September 29, 2021. We are still in week number 39. I'm sorry, week number 39. And I am filming because yesterday was a 2% down day, which was similar to what we saw on Monday the 20th, which was a down day. Now, in that week, the markets went up and it ended pretty nice. And on Friday, it was above the Monday uh, value. So today, we're going to see markets looking up right now. So we're going to do some trades. I'm not expecting this week to exactly copy what happened last week. Most traders are actually expecting some type of more downturn or more volatility going forward. So I want to position my portfolio for some of that future risk. So let's go straight into ETrade. But before do so, join me on Facebook group Investing 102. I post most of my option trades here, but there's a little bit of everything. There's real estate, stock, insurance, credit card hacking, how to get points, things like that. If you want to level up your investment knowledge, this is the forum to be at. Okay, let's go straight to ETrade. So here's ETrade, and Microsoft took a big drop recently. I do have some iron condors out there, and you will see I have an iron condor that's free contracts expiring less than 30 days, probably even less than that. It's whatever it is, I don't know, 16, 17 days or whatever it is. So I'm not closing this. What I want to do is roll this for more premium because now I am $30 away from the short call. So what I would like to do is roll this down a little bit, maybe even $10 down. I'm sorry, $5 down. We'll collect a premium, and you'll see that it's not a lot. Maybe I'll collect 6 cents, 7 cents. But let's put that in. Let's put it in for 7 cents. Because what I want to do is I don't think Microsoft is going to run past all-time highs in the next week or so. So that's what I want to do. Let's capture some premium. And there you go. Microsoft did go across. I made 20 cents premium for each contract. So let's see what else trades I can do next. So for my next trade, I have an Iron Condor for November 5th. And my short call is a 465. If you go to Power ETrade, a 465, the new delta, based on after yesterday's drop, you see this. The delta is now 4.04 or a 12% chance of hitting. What I want to do is I want to increase the risk. So I'm going to roll this down closer to the market price and collect a little bit more premium because you see it's only worth 24 cents now. What I want to do is move it somewhere around 7 or 8 delta. So that's what I'm thinking about today. I'll move it up to a 17% chance of happening and I'll collect the premium. So let's put that trade on. And based on this, I think I'm going to use the 461. And a 461 puts me right here. 16%, 7 delta. You can round it to 8 if you want, but it's about a 7 delta. So let's do that. Okay, and the trade is no longer in the open order list. You see that? It went over here, which means I did get it. And I got 19 cents per contract for it. So I'm just going to, so you see the confirmation here. So let's see what else I can do next. Okay, for the next trade, you see this TLRY. I do this about every other week. Last time it was $25 in premium. It's down to 10, so you see more than halfway. It's time to row. So just hit the row button. And I'm not going to do 1 week because you see if you're only doing it for 8 or 9 cents extra, it's going to take a little bit longer. So you got to add another week to it. And I do these every 2 weeks. Now the question is, do I want to roll down? I look at the cost bases, and so my TLRY, as long as above 10 or 11 or $13, I'm okay with that because I already made profit on the underlying. I'm making profit on each week or each 2 weeks. So let's just do 1 bucket down. So you see this is saying I added, if I left it at a 14.50, I'll still make an extra $15 or $16 for this one move. But by moving it 1 bucket down, I'm making a few more dollars, but there's a risk. I'm leaving if this thing turns around and goes up. So there is a balance that you're trying to strike. It's the dollar in hand versus the potential gains that it will go up. If you want a little bit more risk or more juicier premium, I could have done something like this. What I want to do is, since I have two contracts, I may pick a different price for each one, and maybe one can pay for the other. So maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do a $13 on this one, and this one I'll move it to maybe a $14.50 or something like that. So we'll figure it out. You do want to collect premiums to make money, but I already made money on this trade, so let's just do that. I don't know if there's any news coming out. I'm not really worried about it. I've been playing this stuff for a while, so let's just do. Let's try to get it for 27 first, and if not, we'll move it to 25. So that's what we'll do here. Make another trade, and then hit TLRY again. So a lot of it depends on what your cost is. If you didn't get in at a good cost, you may not want to do a similar trade. Again, same thing. I got $20 for this. Look, it's only worth 9 now. I can hit the row. If you add 1 week, it's the same problem. So we'll do the same strategy. We'll roll 2. And this time we'll do a little bit safer on this one. It doesn't really matter. It's this concept of, I don't like keeping it exactly together. Sometimes you want to use a little bit different strategy. If it rolls up, you want it as close as to the strike price as possible to collect the most premium. So that's the point. Hey, I'm going to get these two across. Okay, and you see I just got TLRY across, both of them. And I also got a rocket. This is a cover, actually a cash secure put. I pushed this out, collected, actually I paid a debit to do that. And I'm okay with that because I collected credits for all of these. So I'll show you the TLRY, and here you see the TLRY. I got $25 in credit for rolling this out and down. I also got 18, is that 16 cents for this one, or $16 for rolling this one 2 weeks down, and 50s. This is just a one bucket down, or one strike price down. And that's all the trades I'm going to do. Market look like it's still wanting to gain a little bit more. I'm okay with that. Again, I'm already out of my trades. I'll wait for tomorrow and see if I have to do any other adjustments. So hey, let me know how you're doing today. I know the market's a little bit better than yesterday. Let me know if you're going to finish this week in the green or in the red. Again, this is part of trading. You just have to adjust your positions. Anyway, comment below, like, subscribe, help the YouTube algorithm share this with your friends and other people that may be searching for it. Thanks again. As always, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time, and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.